Hey folks, don't know if you can much hear me over the noise, but here in town, behind the Burger King, this is Avenue D. That's a medical clinic, post office on the other side. Went to the post office, and what do I see? But this is the tracks. It's the Federal Railroad Administration Department of Safety. Stopped right on the tracks. If it's still there, cargo train stopped on the tracks. That's the Wolf Road crossing. Normally, if a train was on the tracks, gates would be down. Gates are still standing, as you can see. So yeah, I actually saw a member of the engineering crew hop up to get some Burger King a little bit ago, but I had to change the battery out, so I missed it. Oh well. Got so many photos for the paper, so wonder there's not a G-Man following me. But yeah, welcome to Cove. Yeah, that's a Korean Baptist church right over there, if anybody's wondering. But yeah, BNSF engine, 2 cars full of Feddies, Federal Railroad Administration, part of the Department of Transportation. If I had to take a guess, I'd say this one is probably cargo, research, whatever. That one's likely a mobile office. Surprised this video is actually able to go so long. After all the photos I took, I thought the batteries would be close to dead right now. Zoom back out. Yeah, stuff like this never happens in Cove. This is a very rare thing indeed. Gonna have to run down by the paper and hand them this memory card so they can pull the images straight away. That way, who knows what's going on. That being said though, let's take a look at this office car. Used to be big into trains when I was younger. Never seen a design like it. If anybody knows a little bit more about trains than I do, if you could leave me a message, let me know what we got going here. This is a custom job or what? Yes, it's shaking and jumping a little. I'm trying to film as I'm walking along. Probably not be monetizing this video because all the traffic going by. No way I can blur out all of the license plates and advertisements. We'll see what happens when it happens. But yeah, I gotta get moving. Don't even know what the audio on this is going to sound like. Yeah, Cube Smart Stealth Storage. That used to be a sewing factory. Then that moved. Yeah. That's the rear part of the vehicle. Anyway, I need to save what battery life I got left. I need to get to the paper office, so get one good long shot at everything if I can. Mount. There's that. The train. Better get it. Here's how the two trains compare. Yes, I'm doing this with my regular old camera. So there you have it. Catch y'all later.